Where are you from?
I'm from China, Beijing, where I'm born and raised up. Raised.
What languages did you grow up speaking in the home?
In home, standard Chinese.
And when did you learn English?
When I get to this country, 1985.
And did you know English? You didn't know English before you started?
Very little. And then I learned speak English at my graduate school, mostly in a custom shop.
And let's see, so where did you, what part of the U.S. did you learn it in?
University of Missouri in Kansas City. Kansas City.
I grew up there.
Okay. The graduate students next to my door, Colin had a great hairstyle. So before I come here do this recording, he used his spray and did my hair, and all my graduate students say I look great. And then that will be Colin's assistantship next year. Every morning he going to do my hair.